Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A group of women or girls joined together by common interests, for fellowship, etc. The definition of a sorority is a social club for females, typically at a college or university, where the girls call each other sisters and do activities together.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sorority girls are typically high maintenance and very uppity. Most are white middle and upper middle class girls that are spoiled and extremely materialistic. Sorority girls are sometimes extremely protective of their sorority sisters and can only be distracted by a professional wingman.
Take our lead.
Alcohol is banned from most sorority houses, but some sorority members sneak alcohol into their rooms. Opportunities to drink seem abundant, but few Greeks pressure their peers to drink before a sober activity. The weekends are generally the only times binge drinking is common during an average week.
Let's help you make your mark.
There are no laws that prevent sorority parties, which means that it is not illegal. However, there is still one important problem or difference compared to fraternities. According to the National Panhellenic Conference, the 26-member sororities don't allow alcohol in their houses.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.